Hello everybody, Toxic Fox Gamer is back, and I'm back with another Aphalt 8. I've worked on it for just a little bit, but I have worked on it, yeah, like I just said, I've worked on it just for a little bit, and I haven't done much on it, but I have got 6,000. I'm working for this car, for Class C's, and yeah, I'm getting there. I'm doing pretty good. I have played this, but I did almost none of it. And I've upgraded my car, and I've been doing better. So hope you guys enjoy this one too. And yeah. Hold on 1 second. This happened to the other ones. I think it was too loud. It was like way too loud. Just turn it to like 40. There. Oh my gosh, I'm playing with like on a laptop. Like really hard because I'm not using any mouse. Okay, I'm used to like playing on like an actual. Oh, I thought there was a middle one. It is. I don't know what day it is today. I have gotten way better. I think since we left off, I have gotten a billion times better. And if you guys don't know, he's a really awesome person. His name is he's a YouTuber. What's his name? I watched him yesterday, but then I forgot. I subscribed to him yesterday too. And I completely forgot him apparently. His name is... He's a really good song artist. That's what I like mainly started. But my main keys for starting YouTube were PewDiePie and Jacksepticeye. And yeah. Oh, yeah. You guys should check out BCC Trolling. He's trolls everybody. He has pranks too. He was pranking as a PewDiePie voice, and it was just really cool. But like, yeah, it was one of the best things of BCC Trolling. Again. This is like the one again, BCC Trolling, again, BCC Trolling. And then like, yeah, but he's a really cool YouTuber. You guys should go check him out. If you type in PewDiePie pranks on Omegle, and then it will be like PewDiePie prank, I don't know what it is. Like, it was something about like PewDiePie pranks on Omegle. It was like pranking people on Omegle or something like that. I don't remember. But like, yeah, he's really cool. He's really cool. Yeah, he is really cool. So amazing English. Oh my gosh, I'm doing terrible with this one. Do you guys know it's like Long Distance Love? It's made by Rumi Official. Yes, if you hear me saying that in random parts of the video, it's really catchy. It's like days turn into weeks, turn into months, turn into God knows how. Days turn into weeks. Said my voice like very bad. If you guys don't know already, it's terrible. It's like really bad. I'm racing this 2 times to get all the star. Whoa, thought it was gonna wreck. I'm like, no. But I played everything 2 times now because I have like a technique. On the first one, I get all the stars. If you press like X, it says barrel rolls and 2 flat spins or whatever. And then I get all those, and then once I get all of them, I get then the next round I focus on just getting first place. Because this round I'm in 5th. Do you really think I'm gonna get 1st place? I didn't think so. But like, that's what I'm starting to do. But I didn't get one of them. So I'm gonna play one more. Just one. And I'm getting those. So we have 6,000 right now. Okay, so I keep on doing that. Why do I keep on doing that? I need a mouse, like right now. Okay, so this is my tutorial. Oh, I'm so tired right now. I'm trying to like, actually get up and do something. I've been like hanging out with friends all day, so I have like no time to do anything. So that's why I probably haven't posted anything today, and this is the only thing I'm going to be posting. Oh god. Please turn it. I'm sorry. I told you it was stuck in my head. So this round I'm just gonna really focus on. Never mind. I'm just gonna do this for fun. Okay, guys, you're gonna see me restarting a lot, like a lot. I don't know why I'm moving the mouse. Oh, if you guys didn't know, every time you restart it, there are new cars and there are different techniques. And when there are different techniques, you get amazingness. That's what I call myself. I'm just kidding. I call myself I think of BCC trolling. I call myself Toxic Fox Gamer 67. If you don't know, subscribe. Cause I'm too cool. I'm just kidding. PewDiePie's too cool. I'm shy. I'm shy if that upset you people. If you don't like PewDiePie, you stink. I'm shy. I felt like they counted from last time. That would be awesome. My headphones are slipping off because I'm sitting on the floor in my room. Yes, I do not live like with my parents like other people. Or at least other YouTubers. I'm so good. I need a second barrel out. No, you don't. No, 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 no. No. Oh. 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 Dun 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 dun. Woo! Woohoo! So good. So good, oh good. Bloom. I think I'm winning. At least I hope I am. Hadouken. Okay, I'm working. I am working this game until my blitz. And I fail. They're right behind me, aren't they? Yeah, I knew I was gonna become a different place. Never mind. Okay. I think I got this. No. I've almost won this. No. I'm sorry. My little too amazing. Oh no. They'll. Whoa. I don't think I'm coming in first, guys. Only if he crashed. Yeah. Guys, I've just failed it. Got the stars though. I guess that's good. So good. This is how you beat a match. No! Oh my gosh. I'm disgusted with myself. Come in last place. I'm a nice guy. Oh yeah, I am. I'm too nice. I need like 2,000 more. It's gonna take a while. I'm just kidding. Guys, I will be right back, and I'm gonna get